Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So the next part of the lesson of the alphabet, it is the Jeem, Ha and Kha. So the spelling of Jeem, Jeem, and the spelling of the Ha, it is the H-A-A, and the spelling of the Kha, it is the K-H-A-N-A. So Jeem comes out from the middle of the tongue and middle of the palate, and the Ha comes out from the center part of the throat, and Kha comes out from the top part of the throat. Kha, this wise. Okay, so now we discuss about the shape of the Jeem, Ha, Kha. So the sign of Jeem is the one dot downside, and the sign of the Ha without dot, and the sign of the Kha one dot upside. So when Jeem, Ha, Kha will come in the Quran, so you remember this shape like this. So this shape will be used in the Quran when it will be joined with the other letters. Okay, so when the one dot, it will be Jeem. When the without dot and this shape, it will be Ha. And when the this shape come and one dot upside, it will be Kha. So next one, Dal, Dal, Ra and Za. So Dal, the spelling of Dal, D-A-A-L, and Zal, Zal, Z-A-A-L, Ra, R-A-A, and Za, Z-A-A. So Dal, D-A-A-L, Zal, Z-A-A-L, Ra, R-A-A, Ra, and Za, Z-A-A, Za. So Dal comes out from the tip of the tongue and the roots of the upper front teeth. Dal comes out from the tip of the tongue and the roots of the upper front teeth. And the Zal comes out from the top of the tongue and the inner edge of the upper teeth. Zal comes out from the top of the tongue and the inner edge of the upper teeth. Next one, Ra. So Ra comes out from the edge of the tongue, and Ra comes out from the edge of the tongue and the part of the roots of the teeth towards the palate. Next one, Za. So Za comes out from the tip of the tongue and the inner edges of the both front upper teeth. So Dal, Zal, Ra and Za. So inshallah we will read the pronunciation of the next letters inshallah next part. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.